I'm Ken Patrick with Ken Patrick Culinary Group. I'm also a private chef here in Dallas, Texas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Cajun Alfredo. Okay, so I have some nice vegetables here sauteing, just some little spring vegetables, some zucchini, some yellow squash, little broccolini, peppers and onions. And here's my Creole Alfredo sauce. Okay, basically what that consists of is some heavy cream, some Parmesan cheese, a little Cajun seasonings. There's some roasted tomatoes in there, some peppers, some onions, and celery. Okay, we started it off with a Trinity spice as well. Add a little bay leaf, add a little white wine, we let it reduce. We strained it, and this is what we have, a little Cajun Alfredo sauce. All right, and basically what we want to do is just put enough in there just to coat the noodles. All right, we're gonna coat the pasta. We're gonna add the pasta right in the pan, just like that. All right, and I'm gonna just give it a nice little turn. And what you want to do is coat the pasta really good. You know, you want to coat it evenly, just like that. And basically, we're just going to go right from the pan to the plate. All right, just like that. We're going to go for those vegetables. We're going to pair it with those fresh vegetables. And to finish it off, I'm going to add just a little parsley and a little Parmesan cheese. I'm Ken Patrick, and I've just showed you how to prepare a nice Cajun Alfredo. I'm going to enjoy a nice glass of wine with mine, and I encourage you to do the same. And we'll see you next time.